This video will show you how to use custom recipes in Driverless AI. In Driverless, a pipeline, or experiment, is made up of building blocks called recipes that produce a model. These recipes are snippets of Python code. Recipes have the following types: machine learning algorithms, scorers, transformers, and configurations. Version 1.7 of Driverless AI added support for Bring Your Own Recipe, which allows you to use your own recipes in combination with Driverless's built-in recipes. You can also replace the built-in recipes entirely. Take advantage of this option to influence the Driverless AI automatic machine learning pipeline to a greater extent, and to gain more control over the optimization choices made by Driverless. Custom recipes can be used during the training of a machine learning pipeline. Once a recipe is added, that recipe will become available for all future experiments. There is no performance penalty for using custom recipes, since they use the same Python code and backend as recipes created by H2O. So now let's go into Driverless and see exactly what this process looks like. In this video, we're going to use the credit card dataset from Kaggle. If you don't have that dataset, you can download it directly from Kaggle's website. The link is available in the description below. Once you have the dataset, you can upload it to Driverless by dragging and dropping the CSV file onto the dataset's page. Or you can click the Add Dataset button, upload file, and then navigate to the CSV file. Before we start, we're going to download some recipes provided by H2O. Navigate to the GitHub link in the description in order to download these recipes as a zip file. Now we're going to switch over to the experiments page, and we're going to start an experiment by clicking on the New Experiment button in the top right-hand corner. Make sure the credit card dataset we uploaded is selected, and then choose Default Payment Next Month as the target column. Keep an eye on this section to the left because we're going to see the recipe that we select appear in this list. Now, to actually upload a custom recipe, we have to click on Expert Settings and then click on the Upload Custom Recipe button in the top left-hand corner. Next, navigate to the H2O recipes that we downloaded from GitHub. For this video, we're going to select a numeric transformer recipe called Round Transformer that rounds numbers to 1, 2, or 3 decimal places. Now click on Save. Notice that the recipe we chose now appears in this list, which means that we successfully uploaded and selected the recipe for use in this experiment. But say you want to use the round transformer by itself. We can do this by once again clicking on Expert Settings and then on the Recipes tab. The Include Specific Transformers setting allows us to select the exact transformers that we want to use. If we only want to use the recipe we uploaded, we can click the Uncheck All button and then select My Round Transformer. If you've uploaded a custom scorer or custom model recipe, the functionality is similar. You can go into Expert Settings and select which scorers or models to use in the experiment. Keep in mind that the option to upload a custom recipe from a URL is also available. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's a very simple process. The benefits to using custom recipes are very significant, especially when you consider just how easy it is to upload them to the Driverless AI workflow. We encourage you to take advantage of the added flexibility and customization this feature provides. This concludes our video for using custom recipes in Driverless AI.